Java is constantly improves existing features, performances, and introduces new language features release over release. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the improvement that could be expected in Java concurrency in future releases. Before we get into what could be improved, let's try to understand how the existing ecosystem is. We know threads are separate line of execution within a process. A process can typically have multiple threads. While threads share the same address space, they also maintain their own programming stacks. This makes inter-thread communication between them much easier. The operating system kernel supports and manages the kernel level threads directly. Also, the kernel provides system calls to create and manage these threads from outside. However, the kernel has full control of these threads, including their scheduling, etc. This makes kernel level threads slow and little inefficient, resulting in costly thread operations. The IO threads can be created based on number of processor core the hardware supports. For example, dual core, quadra core, 8 core, etc. Alternately, think about having a user level threads that are supported in user space, which is part of the system memory allocated to the running applications. In general, a runtime system like Java Virtual Machine directly manages these user level threads. The kernel is not aware of these user level threads, hence, the thread operations on user level threads are much faster. In this way, the thread operations can be made much more faster. Now that we understand how kernel thread calls are made, if you closely look, there is high volume of system calls that are made. While this cannot be completely avoided, certainly there is a chance to handle the scheduling of these lightweight threads within the execution environments like JVM. The big advantages is that it can be made cooperative and can be multiplexed and reduce overall kernel threads cost. Java proposed this as part of Project Loom. If you would like to explore or contribute to Project Loom, please visit the official web page. I will provide the link in the description. You can find good amount of information such as virtual threads, continuation class, etc. My channel is intended to provide many such tips and hacks that will help you in your day-to-day job and most likely less than 5 minutes to keep it short. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it and get my videos instant by clicking the bell icon. Thanks for watching. I will meet you all in the next video.